How to uninstall OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to uninstall it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the OneDrive application on your home feed, just like this. Then keep on tapping onto the app, just like this. Then here you can find Remove App. Now tap on it. Then tap on to Delete App right here. Select it. Now once again confirm the deletion and tap on to Delete button right here. Select it. And now we can see the app has been deleted. And if you want to reinstall the app, you can simply go to the App Store and reinstall it back. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall the OneDrive application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.